Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I would like to share you how to create the Ma Durga reel to commemorate the Navaratri day. How to do that? So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Before we make this video, we would like to wish you happy Navaratri to our friend and also the viewer who are commemorating it. So we will continue to create the reels. For example, we will use this CapCut to create the reels, and also you can prepare the song and also the clip or the picture that you would like to combine into this video reel. And for example, here I have also prepared two clips, and also both of them I have also reduced the speed to become 0.4 and 0.5. And also don't forget to add the song, for example this one. And you can also select the another duration or another part of the song that you would like to put into this reel, and also don't forget to add the beat like this, like dum dum dum. It's because of the delay of my cell phone. I'm sorry in advance guys, but basically you can start to add the beat first so that your video or the picture can also move following the beat itself. And after that you can continue to put it into this layer. And after that I will also put the effect of these both clips, and the effect will be the Starshine City. You can apply to this two clip. And for the opening effect, you can also add the effect. For example, it will be the place in effect. You can adjust or apply to it anyway. So the opening will be like this. And also, if you remember about the beat that we made before, so that will be the three of bass, like dum dum dum. So you can also add the effect, let's say zoom in, by using this keyframe. But if you would like to have the fastest way, so you can add the effect, and the effect will be in the motion category, and you can use the mini zoom here and apply to it, and you can duplicate this effect into this section that has the same beat, and like this, and etc. And the next step is I would like to create the transition effect between the scene 1 and also scene 2. So the effect will be the cutout effect. So the transition will be like this. How to create this? So you need to add the, let's say, the video or the picture into this overlay by click this overlay, and you can reduce the duration to be short, the most shortest. And after that you can start to remove the background. As you can see that this clip has the background, but this one, the background has been removed. You can use this chroma key, so it will be in this section, 2. Like this, remove background, and you can use the chroma key and apply to it. And to create the movement, you can start to place this picture into below of this scene first. And also you can add the keyframe or the first keyframe, and after that you can slide to the left and also move this picture up and add the keyframe, and you can move this transition photo to the left too, and also move this picture up and add the keyframe. So the movement would be like this. And after that you can combine everything into one, and you can ready to download it with the special pixel that you want, and the video will be ready to be posted into your social media. So that's all guys, I hope this video finds you helpful, and if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on the comment section, because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching, and again, happy Navaratri guys.